Dear children, let us start case study number 3 from MCQ School channel for class 10 science. MCQ School is going to cover all chapters case-based questions in coming videos. Let us start case study number 3. This is regarding the metal reactions with oxygen. All metal do not react with oxygen with the same pace. Different metals exhibit different reactivity toward oxygen. For example, sodium and potassium, they react so vigorously that it catches fire even if kept in open. They are therefore kept under paraffin or kerosene oil. Metal oxides are solids. They are basic in nature mostly. Metal oxide being basic, during its testing, red litmus paper turned to blue. Further, metal oxides such as aluminum oxide, zinc oxide, etc. both show acidic as well as basic behavior. In this, it want to say that metal oxides are mostly basic. Only few metals such as aluminum or zinc oxide, their oxides are having both acidic and basic behavior. Let us start question number 1. Which one of the following metal react violently with cold water? A. Iron, B. Potassium, C. Zinc, D. Aluminum. So what's the answer from your side? The answer for this is potassium. So we know that in the first paragraph we have seen that that is described also that sodium and potassium are kept in paraffin or kerosene oil so that it doesn't react with the water or air. So these reactions are sodium plus water forms sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas, and similarly potassium also reacts similarly to form potassium hydroxide and as hydrogen. So answer is potassium. Let us take question number 2. Which metal do not react with oxygen even at high temperature? Is options are silver, copper, magnesium, zinc. So what's the answer as per you? The answer for this is silver, because there are two metal, gold and silver, which do not react with oxygen even at high temperatures. While in the case of copper, magnesium and zinc, they react at high temperature with oxygen. Hence the answer is silver. Let us take question number 3. The solution of ash acquired after burning magnesium ribbon in air will turn. Options are blue litmus paper to red because it is basic in nature. B. Red litmus paper to blue because it is acidic in nature. C. Red litmus paper to blue because it is basic in nature. D. Blue litmus paper to red because it is acidic in nature. So what do you think? What is the answer? When magnesium is kept in hot environment in presence of air, it forms magnesium oxide, and the solution of magnesium oxide, which is basic in nature, when tested, the red litmus paper turns to blue. So that shows it is a basic nature. Otherwise, we know in the case of acidic nature substances solution, we get blue litmus paper turns to red. But in this case, magnesium oxide solution, we get red litmus paper turned to blue. That means that this is a basic substance nature. Let us take question number 4. An element M forms an oxide which is basic in nature. The element M is, options are metalloid, non-metal, metal, or both B and C. That means non-metal and metal. So what is the answer as per you? We know that in the case of metal, mostly it forms basic oxides. So in the case of this is a metal, because in this it is metal oxide, basic in nature. The metal may be sort of that magnesium oxide. Only very few metals are there which have both character of acidic and basic oxide nature. So that those are aluminum and zinc, in which case the oxides are basic and acidic nature together. But this is the case of metal, which forms a basic oxide. Let us take question number 5. An element M forms an oxide MO2 which is acidic in nature. The element M is A. Metalloid, B. Non-metal, C. Metal, D. Both non-metal and metal. So what is the answer as per you? In the case of oxides, we can know the nature of the oxide by reacting with the water. So in the case of metals, for example magnesium oxide, when reacts with water it forms magnesium hydroxide, so which is a basic nature, because hydroxides are basic in nature, while non-metals such as CO2, when react with water it forms carbonic acid. So acids are, we know that they are acidic nature, so the non-metals forms acidic oxides. So answer is non-metal, B. So we would meet on video of class 10 science case study 4 from MCQ school very soon. Please press bell icon and subscribe MCQ school to get new video notifications. Thank you very much.